Hello Chroma Kids, welcome back to our channel Chroma Kids Creations. Today I am drawing Bheem's friend Chutki. Let's draw and color together. Do you know Chutki is a famous character of Chhota Bheem? Chutki is a friendly girl who is always there to help her friends, especially Chhota Bheem. She is very smart and clever. Chutki loves cooking tasty food and often invites her friends over for delicious meals. She is kind-hearted and care about everyone in her village. Chutki is known for her colorful dress and careful personality. She is enjoy going on adventures with her friends and solving problems along the way. Kids love Chutki for her bravery and caring nature.